A modern car is not built randomly, it is engineered through precise design, machines, and human expertise. Every car begins as a digital design where engineers define structure, safety, and performance parameters. Physical clay models help designers refine shape, proportions, and aerodynamic efficiency accurately. Virtual simulations test durability, impact resistance, and safety before any metal is cut. Large steel sheets are stamped into precise body panels using high-pressure industrial presses. Robots weld individual panels together, forming the rigid structural skeleton of the vehicle. The chassis provides strength and supports the engine, suspension, and passenger compartment. Laser scanners verify millimeter-level accuracy to ensure proper alignment and structural integrity. Before painting, bodies are cleaned and coated to prevent corrosion and surface defects. Several paint layers are applied, providing durability, color depth, and long-term protection. Heated ovens cure the paint, hardening the surface for scratch resistance. Engine blocks are machined from metal using precision cutting equipment. Internal components are assembled carefully to ensure smooth combustion and power delivery. Each engine is tested individually to confirm performance and reliability. The transmission manages power transfer from engine to wheels efficiently. Complex wiring networks connect electronic systems throughout the vehicle. Control units manage displays, sensors, and driver assistance technologies. Interior components focus on comfort, safety, and ergonomic design. The engine and transmission are mounted into the chassis with precise alignment. Suspension systems absorb road forces and maintain vehicle stability. Braking components are installed to ensure controlled and reliable stopping power. Doors and windows are fitted to provide insulation and weather protection. Vehicles undergo water testing to detect leaks and sealing issues. Rolling tests simulate real driving conditions for system verification. Wheel alignment is adjusted to ensure straight tracking and tire longevity. Brake systems are tested under controlled conditions for safety assurance. Human inspectors verify cosmetic quality and functional details. Vehicle software is calibrated to optimize performance and reliability. Final detailing enhances appearance before delivery. After extensive testing, the car is approved for real-world use. Thousands of engineered parts now work together seamlessly on the road. Precision engineering ensures smooth motion and long-term reliability. Driver comfort and control are the result of careful design choices. Modern vehicles blend technology, safety, and performance into one system. Every component plays a role in delivering a dependable driving experience. Future cars will build upon today's manufacturing foundations. This is how engineering, technology, and design come together to create a car.